Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled hot peppers, easy method. Start by washing peppers, trimming stems, and deciding whether to slice or keep whole. Prepare a brine with vinegar, water, salt, and optional sugar or spices. Pack jars tightly, pour boiling brine to cover, leaving proper headspace, and seal with lids. Process jars in a water bath if you want longer shelf life. Start by choosing peppers based on desired heat and texture, from mild to fiery. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry, then use a sharp knife to slice or leave whole depending on preference. If you want milder jars, remove seeds and membranes. Keep them if you prefer more heat. Always handle super hot varieties with gloves and avoid touching your face while prepping to keep things safe and comfortable. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, recipe prompts, and fun music while you work. It brightens cooking sessions and keeps your hands free for peppers and brine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat the vinegar and water mixture until it simmers, then dissolve salt and sugar if using to balance acidity and flavor. Add aromatics such as garlic, bay leaf, peppercorns, or oregano to each jar before packing peppers. Pour the hot brine over peppers, ensuring they are completely submerged, then wipe rims and apply lids. Let jars cool on the counter before refrigerating overnight or processing for shelf storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.